Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here then hi, I'm Tabishi, your girl next door. Oh god, it feels like I haven't shot a video in I don't know how many days. It's good to be back. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about two products, which is the Jeju Body Ritual, which has helped me get through this tough time a little bit, I would say, because when you're really frustrated and stressed at home, then it feels good to use products that can probably just relax you a little bit. So guys, in today's video I'm going to take you through two products, which is like a Jeju Body Ritual. It includes two products, and it's basically the summary of this video. If I have to really mention it in a very short way, then it will be that I'm just going to tell you why I have become such a big fan of these two products. So guys, the two products that I'm talking about are these two products. These are from Pilgrim, and these are their Body Ritual combo. So step number one of this body ritual is to obviously apply a scrub all over your body. Packaging of both these products, it basically comes in a cardboard box like this. It's a normal carton box, exactly of the size of the product, which is good. Like, there's no extra packaging, too much of packaging, which I don't like. Pretty standard outer packaging with the name and the label of the brand and all that. Inside that you get this gigantic tub. Okay, so I like the color combination of this. Guys, as soon as I opened this tub, oh my god, I cannot even explain it to you guys that what lovely smell comes out of this product, and why I have been saying spa since the very starting of this video, and why I've been saying it has been really relaxing. This is why, because the fragrance is such that as soon as you open the tub, right, you will feel as if you are in a spa. It's so relaxing. I think the fragrance is so original of White Lotus. There is no artificial fragrance, I feel, because it's just too good. There is a strong smell, but at the same time it's very calming and soothing. You just leave it open and your room will like fill up with the fragrance. It's just too nice. I became a fan of the fragrance as soon as I opened up the tub. Inside this you get the product like this. This is the scrub tub. I scrub my body like alternate days, and I use this body butter every day, just because when I go for a shower and I use these products, it just feels like I am de-stressing. Honestly, I'm not even kidding. Okay, if we have to talk about the consistency of this product, this is very powdery like, right? So it makes it very easy to sort of apply it on your body. So as you guys saw, it's very easy to apply. It melts really nicely all over your body with very little of effort, which is the best part of this scrub. It's just not at all messy, and it doesn't need like a special care for you to use this body scrub, and it honestly like cleanses out so well. Like, if I have dead skins and if I feel bumps all over my body when I use this scrub, I just feel that my body cleans up in a much better way, which doesn't happen with a regular body wash. And of course the fragrance is just an added advantage, which I just cannot stop talking about clearly. So yeah, when using this scrub, basically makes my skin really hydrated. It just clears out all the dead cells from my body. It really helps me to suppress a little bit of bump that I get, which I get a lot in summers, honestly, all through the year, but during summers I just get a lot of bumps all over my hand and legs, which really gets suppressed by this body scrub, which is something new for me, because a lot of people did advise me using these scrubs for my ingrowth. I have a lot of ingrowth, so for my ingrowth and for everything, they have always suggested me to use body scrubs, but I never saw any difference. But this one really helped me with my body bumps and in growth, and the dead cells all over my body. So great results. Now that I have talked about the experience of using this product, of course I want to talk about a little bit of the ingredients, also the key ingredients at least. The very first key ingredient that they have mentioned is the volcanic lava ash. Now we know that lava, volcanic ash, all these things are basically responsible for cleaning your body really well, whether it be your face wash or your body wash or your body scrub, whatever. Whenever you hear something like charcoal or volcanic lava ash, these things are responsible for cleaning your pores. That's the major work that they are supposed to do, and it really, as I mentioned before, it really does that, because I saw the difference in my bumps instantly after first application of this scrub, which was a great pointer from my end. The next ingredient that they have is Yug Dugu in this. Now I must say that the Yug Dugu is not something that I was familiar with before, and I wanted to know what it really does, so I went ahead on their website and I checked out that what exactly Yug Dugu is. So it says that it has magnesium. It is a source of copper, magnesium, vitamin B1, vitamin B6, and its major work is to reduce pigmentation and dark spots from your body. So I think it's a great idea to include something like this in a body scrub, because we do take a lot of care of our face, but when it comes to our body, we tend to miss out on all these things, and we really don't have the time to do things separately for our body. So it's really good if these kind of ingredients are included in a body scrub, which if you use once, you're good to go. And of course it has white lotus. Now white lotus, because I mentioned that the smell is really strong and it's really nice. So guys, white lotus is like a natural superfood for your skin, because it is a source of a lot of hydration. Any superfood that if I mention for your skin, it actually ends at the point that it gives you hydration, because without hydration your skin cannot be it cannot stay healthy, whether it be your face skin or body skin. So white lotus is the key ingredient of both of these products. And of course white lotus is also very rich in vitamin B complex, C complex, and it really hydrates your skin very well. So I really like the whole list of the key ingredients in both these products, and I really like the effect of it. And the best part, which I have to say, is again the fragrance. You have to open the tub to understand what exactly I'm saying. I felt like ऐसा कोई background में calming सा music चल रहा है, and I have closed my eyes and I have just escaped from this world and I'm just relaxing for a bit. So it was lovely using this step number 1 product. Product number 2 is this body butter. Now the outer packaging is exactly similar to the other one, and this is how the bottle looks like. The ingredient that is similar in both these products is white lotus, of course. Apart from that, this has separate list of product ingredients that I will talk about. When I apply that, and then that fragrance stays for a long time. It lasts for entire day, which is great. I feel fresh. Body butters and body lotions, whenever it comes to that, I am from very dry skin family. I need body lotion 12 months a year, because it cannot be कि गर्मी है तो मुझे I won't need a body lotion. Sometimes I even have to apply oil. It's a different story with me. And you would have heard me saying a lot of times कि none of the body lotions really work for me, none of the body butters really work for me. I've tried so many, but I end up using those two, Love Beauty Planet ka, and the other one is the Scent Eyes. I told you, right, that this is my jam. I use only those two, because उन्हीं दोनों से मेरे हाइड्रेशन का नीड पूरा हो पा रहा था. But this one, you guys, it's so good. It nourishes my skin so well. So I'll show you, right? I've taken really less amount. It's a body butter, so the consistency is thick. But the best point is that as soon as you melt it, it gets absorbed immediately, which I have faced with a lot of other products, body butters, because they are thicker in consistency. मेरे को बहुत मुश्किल होती थी उनको absorb कराने में. It became a very difficult job for me. But this one, as soon as I apply, it just gets absorbed like magic. And it is so lightweight. It is very thick, but it is so lightweight that once you have applied it, you're not gonna even feel that you have really applied anything, and it just nourishes it so well, and it leaves such great fragrance all over your body. It's just a winner for me. Now, since it's giving so much of hydration, of course it has to have a lot of key ingredients that gives you a lot of hydration, which is the best part. When I read the ingredients, guys, it has shea butter, it has butter, it has a lot of kind of oils like sesame oil, it has almond oil, it has white lotus, which again in turn is the source of hydration. So this body butter is like a tub of goodness, a lot of nice ingredients which ultimately is aiming to hydrate your skin and your body, but they have somehow managed to maintain the consistency as that it is like thick, but it is not that thick. Like, it is like the best consistency for a body butter, and when you apply it, you don't feel as if you have applied anything. It's like a body lotion ka consistency after applying it. Does that make sense? What I'm trying to say is that it is thick, but it is not too thick, so it's just the perfect consistency to apply, and it is just very easy to like absorb. It gets absorbed immediately, which is something that I really want. I don't want my body lotions and body butters to like make me feel that I have applied something really heavy on my body. With this, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you liked this one. If you did, please do not forget to hit that like button, share my channel and subscribe to it. I will be up soon in my next video. Till that time, take care, bye bye, be beautiful and stay happy. Bye. Namaste.